Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to another video. We are back once again in my garage with my Nissan 370Z, and something happened yesterday that really was not a very good deal. Like, actually was not fun. So basically what happened is I was leaving my garage here, I was leaving my driveway, house, all that. I get about a block down the road and my check tire pressure light comes on in the car. So about a block away that direction there is a park, and that's where I pulled off and I inspected my tires. I have a tire gauge in my car and I checked the tire pressure, and I'm going around and I look at the rear driver's side and there is no pressure at all. So basically there was 0 psi in here. Luckily I was only going 20 to 30 miles an hour, and I made it to a quick shop down the street, so a local gas station here, and I filled it up with air. And I had to go to work, so I went to work. But currently this tire is still in the same state that it was in yesterday. So there is a leak somewhere in it. I have to get it looked at or replaced. I go to Discount Tire to get my tires done, so I'll have to drive to a different city to do that because I moved recently. So that kind of sucks. But basically I have a tire on order, in case they have to replace the tire. I'm not too sure where the pressure stands right now on the tire, but as you can tell, it does look a little low. So I'm not sure where the leak is. About a year ago, I had a leak in this tire from a nail, but I looked all the way around this tire and I could not find anything in the tire. But I know there's something in there, so I assume it's probably on the inner side, and I just can't see it because I can't get to it. So basically they're going to have to pull the wheel and tire off and take the tire off and inspect the tire, find the leak, and either repair it or replace the tire. But it's kind of annoying, you know, because I'm trying to drive to work, and I work 30 minutes away, so I'm driving on the highway speeds, and I have a tire that could possibly have issues when I'm going 75 miles an hour. So that's not a very pleasant thought. I don't want to have any kind of tire blowouts or anything like that. So I'm trying to do what I can to drive as safe as I can to prevent any possible issues, because those rear tires, those are my drive wheels, and you don't really want one of those going out, especially if you're getting on it or merging or whatnot. So yeah, basically I'm driving it pretty careful right now. But hopefully all goes well. I'm still waiting on them to get the tires in. They said possibly today they might be able to get them in, but I'm just playing the waiting game right now. I don't know if it's going to be a repair or a replace, but I would rather have them replace the tire. I don't really feel comfortable with tires being plugged or patched or whatnot. I don't really like that idea. I'd rather just have a fresh new tire, but they are $300 a tire, so I don't really know if I want to spend that right now. So we'll just kind of see what my options are when it comes to that. But unfortunately, this is not the first time I've had this issue with this car, and I think with that same tire too. I think it was the left rear tire there, the driver's side, that had a nail in it last time. So I mean, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just like the areas of town I'm driving, or just my luck or something, but that's not the first time, and it's annoying because my previous car, I only had the issue I think like one time, and this is the second time within a year of having that issue with this car. So we're basically just going to have to wait and see what the solution is for that. This is my only vehicle, so I do have to drive it to work and other places too, so I'm just keeping pressure in it and hoping it holds, and that's pretty much how I'm driving it right now. Alright, so that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever had any kind of patchwork or plug work done on your tire. And also let me know in the comments down below what videos you would like to see with my 370Z. And with all that being said, see you in the next one.